today's date is August 8th, and we have coffee cake here. So coffee cake is a little flat in profile compared to the chocolate. You can see it's kind of longer, except the size is quite smaller, even though they both produce at the same time. Here we go. This should be easier. There. Here's my thumb. Here's that. And now we go to the coffee cake. Here's my thumb. It's twice as big in size and quite productive compared to my chocolate. Except I've been having the split happening, but I just want to let it go, see what happens when it ripens. But all the other ones are just fine. There's no split in there. So we shall see in a couple months which one actually makes to the end before I pick them off. They drop by themselves, so I haven't been thinning them at all.